Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy that you joined me again. In this video we're going to talk about makeup vocabulary and we will learn the correct name of different makeup products. It's also a good example of natural spoken English. If it's interesting for you, please continue watching this video and let's do it. Be careful with these two words, cosmetics and makeup. They are interchangeable because makeup is a type of cosmetics. However, cosmetics is a product of entire body, for example, creams, lotions or powders, and makeup is especially for your face. Okay, let's get started with the makeup for your skin. Above all, we talk about foundation. The first step is to apply foundation. The purpose of foundation is improve your complexion and make your skin tone as flawless and natural as possible. Flawless just mean without any problem, almost perfect. Foundation evens out your skin tone and it covers dark spots like acne marks or blemishes or redness in your face. If you don't want wearing a foundation, you can use tinted moisturizer or tinted sunscreen. Tinted just mean there is a very small amount of color in moisturizer or sunscreen. Sunscreen is a cream that you put on your face to prevent sunburn. Move on. Next we're going to talk about concealer. If you have some dark spots and you want to stronger coverage than foundation, you can use concealer. Concealer is most commonly used to cover up dark circles under the eyes to make them look less obvious. You can use your finger to get concealer on your finger, then lightly dab it or spread it as well. Move on. Next we're going to talk about powder. To stop your face from shining, you can use powder. Powder comes in two forms. There is a pressed powder, comes in a pan or in a compact powder. A compact powder means a small case with a mirror and a pan of powder with sponge or powder puff. Also, you can use a blotting paper. Blotting paper is the individual pieces of paper you can use blot from any oil or shine from your face. Next, you can apply bronzer. Bronzer is darker than your natural skin tone. You can apply a bronzer to make your skin look like you've been out in the sun all day and give your face the sun-kissed look. You can also use bronzer to contour your face. Many people say that it makes your face look thinner. Okay, ladies, then you can use a pop of color with blush. Blush comes in different shades to pink to peach and usually apply to your cheekbones. Finally, after all that, after you've got all makeup, you can add some shimmer. Shimmer is a bright sparkly powder you can use on your face so that it sparkles. Move on, ladies. Then we're going to talk about eye makeup and first I want to talk about eyeliner. Eyeliner is another great makeup product. You can do a lot of with eyeliner. For example, eyeliner gives your eyes more definition and makes your eyes stand out more. About mascara, Speaking about eyelashes, you can use mascara. First, however, you should curve your eyelashes, so you can use eyelashes curler. Usually mascara comes with brusher. There are two types of brusher: straight brusher and curled brusher. And if you want to very dark look, you can coat your eyelashes with mascara one time, then wait for dry it, and then apply the second coat with mascara. One more thing, ladies, waterproof mascara just means that mascara won't streak down on your face if your eyes get wet or if you start crying. And that's all I wanted to say about eye makeup. So let's talk about makeup for your mouth. Now, just like you moisturize your face, a good idea to moisturize your lips before put on your lips lips gloss or lipstick. You can use lip balm. It's make your lips softened. What about lip gloss? Lip gloss comes in a different containers and makes your lips look shiny and with less color than lipstick. If you want a very strong lips, you can use a lip liner to outline your lips. With lip liner, you can also change the shape of your lips if you would like look fuller or smaller lips. Ladies, I really hope that you learned a new makeup vocabulary. Thank you so much for your watching. See you next lesson. Have a great day.